In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Docusign dynamic templates in 2026 updated 5 minutes. Start by logging into your Docusign account and heading to the templates area. This is where you'll build reusable dynamic workflows so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Choose Create Template and give your template a clear descriptive name so teammates can find it later. Good naming conventions save a lot of time when you have multiple versions. Upload the document or set of documents you want to use. You can add files from your computer or connect to cloud storage. PDFs and docx files both work well. Just make sure your layout is final before you begin tagging to avoid rework. Now let's make it dynamic. Use conditional logic to show or hide fields based on choices a signer makes, perfect for optional clauses or different deal types. If your document includes itemized lists or line items, set up dynamic tables so rows can expand as needed without breaking your layout. And take advantage of autoplace by anchoring fields to unique keywords or labels in your document. This lets Docusign drop fields precisely where they belong, even when the content shifts. For recipients, don't enter specific people yet. Instead, define role names like buyer, seller, manager, or finance. Roles are the secret to reusing this template for different people across many transactions. Every field you place will be tied to a role, not a specific person. Click. Next, to open the tagging screen, drag and drop signatures, dates, initials, text boxes, checkboxes, and any required fields onto the document, switching the recipient selector to the right role as you place each field. Keep fields aligned and consistent for a cleaner signing experience. If a step depends on another, set signing order to control the sequence. Before saving, configure the email subject and message to explain what the recipient is signing and why. Add reminders and expiration settings that match your timelines. When everything looks good, choose Save and Close. To use your template, return to Templates, locate it, and click Use. Now you'll replace those role placeholders with real names and email addresses for this transaction. Review the pre-placed fields in the document, make any edits needed for this specific case, and confirm the recipients and signing order. When you're confident everything is correct, click Send. That's it. Your dynamic template is ready to scale your workflow with fewer clicks, fewer errors, and a much faster turnaround.